Here's an example of the meaning of a confidence interval. A study was done to see if being intoxicated slows down average response time. A response time video test was given to a group of 45 sober participants, Group A, and 30 intoxicated participants, Group B. They got drunk before they took the test. Let mu1 be the average response time in milliseconds for the sober test takers, Group A, how fast they responded to something on the test, and mu2 be the average response time in milliseconds for the intoxicated test takers, Group B. A 95% confidence interval mu1 minus mu2 is given as this, both negative, notice. What does the confidence interval suggest about the population means? And then there's 10 million answers. I give you a million answers because I want you to be super confident. I want to make it hard in the homework so that you're confident by the time you get to the exam. Okay, so what does this mean? Let's talk about it. Well, these are the answers to mu1 minus mu2. What does that mean? Remember, Group A, mu1 is Group A, and mu2 is Group B. So this is A minus B. If you subtract two things, right, we're subtracting A minus B. Sorry, I'm just writing that badly. And you're getting an answer that's negative. What does that mean? So first off, you see that's a negative answer, right? Because, you know, if I was to put a number line here, if you're between negative 451 and negative 287, zero's like way over here. If you're somewhere between negative 451, right, and negative 287, we're 95% confidence that the subtraction, A minus B, the answer is coming out somewhere between negative 451 and negative 287 in here. So that means you're a negative number. There's only negative numbers in that region between negative 451 and negative 287. So if you take A minus B and the answer comes out negative, what does that mean? What does that mean if you subtract two numbers and the answer comes out negative? That must mean the first number is smaller. Like, you know, like 7 minus 10, for example, is a negative answer, isn't it? Which means the first number is smaller. It's got to be. It means A is smaller. Right? The only way you're going to subtract two things and get a negative answer is if the first number is smaller. So the A must be smaller. So the fact that the mu1 minus mu2, we're 95% sure that the difference between A and B is in this interval between two negative numbers, which means it's a negative number itself. We're 95% sure that the difference between A and B is negative, which means A is smaller. The first number must be smaller if you're subtracting and getting negative. All right, let's go through the options. What does it mean? The confidence interval includes only positive? No, it doesn't. It includes only negative. Includes zero. The interval includes, they do? No. Zero's way over here. Zero's not in our, here's our interval between negative 451 and 287 right in there. Zero's way over here. No, it doesn't include zero. Let's get rid of those. Only negative. Yeah, that's right. Let's get rid of these other. Include zero, only positive, no way. Includes zero, no way. Only positive, no way. Only negative, only negative. All right, we have three only negative options. It's going to be one of those three. Okay, which one is it? Let's read on. Which suggests that the mean for Group A is larger. Is A larger? No. A is smaller. No, not larger. No, that's wrong. Come on down here. A is smaller. There we go. What did the other one say? There does not appear to be a difference. There does not appear to be a difference? No, there is. A is smaller. Yeah, so that's why this is the one. A is smaller. There we go. And this is all the way, but this is also on the notes for the exam. Here's the exam 4 notes. I want to show you where it is here too. So exam 4 notes, if you look down here, the meaning of a confidence interval, right down here, both negative, all negative, zero not included, implies that, what? The first one's smaller, right? mu1 is smaller than mu2. That's what we've said. A is smaller than B, right? When you have all negative. And then there's other cases too. It's all there in the exam 4 notes. So there